Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran that likes to make drinks and I would like to share them with you. Today I'm going to mix this key lime rum with the fruit splash made by Canada Dry. What you will need is 1.5 ounces of your key lime rum. And top that off with your fruit splash. Give that a quick little stir. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteer or may have been drafted to serve this country. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to James Newsell Jr. James passed away February 4th, 2024 at the age of 93. He served in the Marine Corps as a pilot. He called Maryland home. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Wow. Solid 9.5 out of 10. Cherry, key lime, works really well together. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you are having a mental health crisis and would like to receive help, call Stop Soldier Suicide at 844-317-1136. These services are free, so call if you need any help. If you have had this drink and would like to rate it, please leave your rating in the comment below. If you would like for me to dedicate an episode to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. If you like the messages behind these videos, please like, subscribe, and share them. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Since these episodes contain alcohol, drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you and have a great day.